Good morning, class. Hope you are fine and doing well. So, let us today draw a basket with apples. So, first, let us make the basket. For the basket, we need three colors. Okay, it is buff, or you can use yellow ochre. It is dark brown and brown. Okay, now let us start. Now, watch me very carefully. Now what I have done is I have made here four some lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, in a row. Okay, I have just roughly made some little dash like structures with buff. There is 7 in a column and there are such 8 columns 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now here I am going to again repeat the same action, but in place of 7 I am going to do only 6, and then okay, I will do same on this side. I am going to add one more dash like structure here, but a little above. You see, again this has 7 dashes, but it is little nearer, and same I will do on the other side. Now I am going to use brown. Just watch it in between the this yellow lines, but just roughly. Okay, so I have filled the whites roughly with brown, and now I am going to use the dark brown. Just watch it how to use it. I am using it on brown, but I am not covering the browns completely, just here and there, 1 or 2 lines, horizontal lines. So it is done with dark brown and all the 3 colors are visible: buff, brown and dark brown. Now I am going to fill them roughly horizontally, okay, like this. Okay, so it is done. Now I am going to give it some shape at the bottom. Watch it. You don't need to press it too hard, just lightly. Okay, same here on both the sides. Okay, now we need to smudge a little. I am going to smudge in a particular direction. All the horizontal lines I am going to smudge them horizontally, and not much, just a little bit. Similarly all over here. Now horizontal smudging is done. Now some vertical. And now on the edges. So here is our basket, and now we need some apples. Okay, first let us draw some apples. Apples are only partially visible. And we are not supposed to draw too hard. Pencil should be very light. So the apples are here, and you can see the drawing. Some apples are sitting straight, some are facing us. This spot is facing us. Okay, so all the apples are not in the same position. They are in different position, facing different directions, since they are in a basket. So first I am going to use some primary red. This is primary red. This is yellow green. Some medium yellow. Again some primary red. My strokes are according the shape of the apple. I smudge them a bit. I'm not mixing the colors, just blending them. Again some primary red. So it is done for now, and we will move to the next apple. Now this apple is in a different position. The stem part is here in the middle. It is facing us. First I am going to do the stem part. yellow, medium yellow. And red. Again I am going to smudge them a bit. Okay. Similarly, we will color all the apples. Okay, so all the apples have been colored. Now we need to do some more detailing, and I am going to do it with a pencil. I am giving it a little bit of shadow. Pencil should be very light, otherwise it will scratch the colors. Be very light with your pencil. Little bit of stem is shown. Similarly, we have to color all the apples. Give them some shadows with pencil. You see, I have added some shadows wherever they are touching. Wherever they are touching the basket, it should be dark. The apple in the background, this is in the front, and this apple is the back, so this area you can see it is a little darker, and so on. You have to think about it, where it should be dark and where it should be highlight. Okay, and now I am going to add some highlight with white. Okay, so highlight have been added. I'm going to do a bit of detailing in the basket as well. Just a bit. See, I am simply drawing some lines. It is giving shadow as well, and at some places it is scratching the colors out. It is give it a good effect. And now the bottom part should be darker. Okay, now let us do the background. I'm just dividing the page in two parts. This part I am going to do with yellow, and this is yellow green. Okay. Roughly I am going to do it. I won't do it very dark, just roughly. Now I am going to use yellow. You can use any yellow, like I am using lemon yellow. You can use deep yellow or medium yellow as well, but just lightly. The same way we did the yellow green. In this part I am going to use yellow ochre. This too in a very light manner, rough manner. I don't want it too dark. Okay, now the coloring has been done, and I am going to smudge it just roughly in every direction. You see, in no particular direction, in every direction. Same way, there is no dividing line. I am going to blend this yellow ochre in the green as well on both sides, and same in all the direction. You see, I am smudging. So it is done, and now we need to add some shadows. Okay, I have added some shadows here and here and here. That is the stems, and now I am going to add some shadow here under the basket. First I am using grey. Now I am using some black. Be very careful when you use black. Smudge it carefully. Okay, so the shadow is done. Now I am going to add some black in the apples, in the darker area, shadow area as well. But be very careful. Add a very little bit of black, not much, or it can spoil your painting. You see, just a little bit of it. Okay, now I have to smudge it, but very carefully. Make sure your finger is clean, just a bit, not much. Primary red. Okay, it is done. Again, a little bit of black in the basket. Use it very carefully. Just a bit here and there. Not much. Again, smudge a little. Okay, so this is our basket with apples. Enjoy doing it. Try to paint some other fruits as well or flowers. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.